Right, let's start with the outside then. Box there with your battery in it. As you can see, you can add a weight to the front. The tracks look like they're in good order. Comes with track weights. This machine's got the LED lighting pack. Aerial missing there. That's not the end of the world. Got drawbar, 3-point linkage with top link, 4 spools, isobust. Got external buttons to drop your link arms. It's got scrapers to kick the mud and the water out the tracks. Bonnet's easily opened. Let's jump up and have a look. Got a little toolbox here. It's got one beacon. Let's have a look inside. The leather passenger seat, leather driver's seat, heated seat, electric up and down. Leather steering wheel with a bit of wear just there. This machine's done 3,296 hours. It's also an auto power machine. Can do with a new wing mirror, and that's nothing major. The roof lining, not grubby at all. There's a radio with Bluetooth, electric mirrors. Also the steering wheel is a memory steering wheel. So when you push that button just there to lift it up and down, you also have this lever here to set your memory where you would like it to stay. Let's start it up. Let's have a quick wander around while it's running, just so you can see it running. Just try these buttons and show you the linkages. That all works. Also, before I forget, this also has a PTO. There's LED lights in the bonnet also.